and live. I make sure की आपल्या सगळ्या गेस्टना आणि जे की आता आम्ही लाईव्ह आलोय. आमच्या ज्या त्या जराशा थांबतील आणि लाईव्ह सुरू होईल. सो वेलकम प्राची. वेलकम टू दिस सेगमेंट. येस. आणि आमचा ह्या गोष्टीला डिले होण्याला मी आणि माझा मात्र कॉम्प्युटर जबाबदार आहे. सो द ब्लेम इज ऑन मी, नॉट. And before we proceed with the segment, let me tell you what this is about. Puneri Dhaska has turned 5, and we are in conversation with all who have done marvelous jobs in their own field. And hence, we are speaking to Prachi, who's CEO MD of Slow Apple. Welcome to the show, Prachi.
Thank you, Suvidha.
What do you want to say?
No, thank you for having me and inviting me. I think I should thank Dr. Shweta also. I haven't met her, but yeah, I am a member of Puneri Dhaska, so I know the platform. So yeah, I'm happy to be
Yes.
here. Yeah.
So we are glad that you could just, and she's been sitting at her place waiting to go live only because there were some glitches at my place as usual.
No,
So thank you for being patient.
Thank you. My friends, they are, they were waiting for this live. So they were messaging me, are you late on the platform? So you generally, you generally tend to wait when somebody is coming live. Yeah. So
I know. I'm really sorry on her behalf.
No problem.
Sincerest apologies to all of them. So let us.
You've learned the technology more now. Now you're like a pro in going live.
I have not become a pro, and my computer also not learned a lesson from my earlier experiences. So
you
leave it to that. I will learn. Yes.
Through certain apps now. Yeah.
I know. So before we proceed, I just want to make sure that you understand why we have highlighted this young lady here, and just go on reading whatever that it is. It is an extravagant thing that she has done with her life, and I think, however hard we try to appreciate it less as compared to what she's been done with her life. So educationally, Prachi has done BSc from Ferguson College. She has also done PG PBM from Wellington Institute of Management Studies, Mumbai. She has done Masters in Business Management by Action Coach USA, and professionally, she has been internationally certified as the hairstylist and esthetician. I'm really sorry for the fumble. Hair certifications that she has are L'Oreal certified for professional hairdressing. Vidal, I hope I'm pronouncing it right.
Yeah, it's right.
Is it Vidal? Correct, Vidal Sasa, and she's done masters in hairstyling there. There are many other accolades that she has added to her profile, which include international beauty certifications by CEDESCO, therapy certifications by CEDESCO, and if I have to actually pronounce something with drumsticks now, she is the MD and CEO of the famous chain Salon Apple. Welcome. And before we proceed with the actual conversation, I just want to ask you: you are so young to be at this juncture in your life. How has been the journey so far, or the experience so far?
So you know my experience, you know my journey a bit, I think. But yeah, I would love to share it on the platform as well. The moment you were, recalling all the education, professional, things that I've done, my smile was going wider and wider. You felt okay, yeah, you've done that. Yeah, so Suvidha, as you know that my journey, even if it is at a younger stage, I have achieved certain things, but it started very early. It's not that I started doing my, so that I did my first haircut when I was in 4th standard. So it was then I wanted to be in this industry, and being in a family business, I feel even after school and colleges, everybody used to go home. I mean, my friends, but I used to go and sit in the salon. So it started from there, the observations, and then I inculcated that passion, and then I started loving this particular art. So then I mastered it. Eventually, I did my graduations, of course, because education is very important, and parents won't let you, sidetrack that. So yeah, and I was good in academics as well. But yeah, I feel I'm fortunate enough that my parents chose me to be, to carry forward their legacy, and they must have seen something which they have, which they say, and I think that is that is what makes me drive every day, because they believe in me. Out of three siblings, I have two more siblings, so out of three of us, I think I was lucky enough, I was the fortunate enough that I was being trusted and chosen to take ahead the legacy. But I have worked very hard in developing the skills, because it is my mom who says that if you want to be in something, if you want to be successful in something, you should know the art. Even if I was not going to practice it, I was always into management, but she said you should know what goes in the shoes of the technical people. Only then you'll be able to strategize, figure out, and connect with them. So that's the reason I mastered my art, and that's where all these certifications and diplomas that I did. So yeah, I mean, it is a roller coaster journey, and I think I am fortunate enough to have my mom and my dad, who my mom, she's in this industry from past 25 years. I mean, 28 years now. She started in 1993. So so far, so since childhood, I've seen her journey, and that has inspired me to carry forward things and make it much more bigger than what she dreams of. Yeah, so I'm just following her dreams, and following somebody's dream is a responsibility, and that drives you to take up the whole show. So yeah.
I know, I know. I have done myself. I was fortunate enough to be associated with your brand
Yes.
as an anchor. I know the story behind it, and I wanted to get her also on board. But then some other time, probably I would have a discussion and later.
No,
I was very
she is indeed very happy. She must be live, I think. She must be there in
I
the
know.
live.
Salute to her.
Yeah. Yeah, thank
So,
you. Convey it to her.
when I was anchoring for one of the branches of our brand, there were many branches then, and it has been 3 years since then. So, how many branches do we have in India now? Can you tell us about that?
Now, so we have expanded across Maharashtra. We have more than 50 plus franchisees and outlets across Maharashtra. Apart from Pune,
Okay.
Pune being our home city, it's been dominated by Salon Apple now. But yeah, we've reached Nashik, Mumbai, Satara, Baramati, Amravati. So we've entered with Herb also. We started with our recently we started with our branch office at Hyderabad. So the next salons that you would see would be in Hyderabad, also in Gujarat. So yeah, so these are the expansion plans for now. So we'll very soon
Would
be
you,
pan India and international also. Yeah.
Acha, looking at the span of work that has been occupied or the kind of that Salo Apple has done till now, would you care to tell us your age? I know ladies shouldn't be asked about their age, but
No,
आपका age
I am
क्या है
not.
और आप काम कितना?
I am not at all shy to share my age. I'm 29.
So all of those beautiful ladies who are watching,
Yes.
kindly take into account the number in terms of her age and the number of branches that they have today, and you will understand the vastness of it. So kudos to you and your team. Obviously, to I mean, huge credit goes to Nenna ma'am also, and it is a legacy, obviously, as you. My next question to you is: how do you manage all of this together? Meaning, how do you? I mean, do you have certain tips on time management that you can, give these beautiful women entrepreneurs?
Time management, I have it has been very difficult in the initial stages, when there were things coming up suddenly. We were learning a lot of things, we had a lesser number of team, but eventually I think mom says that don't manage your time, manage your energy. So the more you, when you are energetic, try and do all your prioritized tasks, complete your priority works, and then focus on what's not very much important. Everything is important eventually, but unless you put it
Correct.
in buckets, you really don't understand what to be chosen first. So I think what I've learned so far over a period of time is putting things in buckets. Like, this is my priority, हे माझं priority आहे, हे मी नंतर केलं तरी चालेल.
Hmm.
Again, I learned delegation. I was a person, and we women are that ways. I feel we want everything to be perfect. We don't want anybody to let us down or let them down properly. So I used to go into a lot of micromanaging things, but eventually I think over a period of time we are lucky enough, fortunate enough that we have a very good team. We've built a good team with us. So a majority of the tasks, when delegated, are being done, and but I make sure that I evaluate it also, so that chances of human errors reduce. But I think a strong team has helped me. What I only a tip, if you ask me what I did for myself, I can definitely tell is I started maintaining a diary. A book is very important. Unless you pen down your task, even if I had to go shopping for myself, I used to write it in the diary. Okay, udya mala हे घरातलं घेऊन यायचंय. So I used to write it, and the best thing is eventually I learned to start ticking it. One of the podcast I was listening to, that ticking actually gives you a sense of accomplishment, a sense of
I know. I
achievement.
agree.
So yeah, now you're a mother. Now so you will be like having entire the diary is going to be like 3-pager for a day. Yeah.
So I'm on the
So
same
it
ship
helps.
with you. Yes. So apart from
Yeah. So
completing the task, I think the stroke that you make on your notebook, that
yeah,
itself gives you
the tick
psychological satisfaction. कि हो गया,
satisfaction.
अब इसके बारे में नहीं सोचना है.
Correct.
So
I think I'm breaking
all of
work.
those.
Yeah.
No, please go ahead.
No, I was saying that once you plan something, I mean, you can't do it all. I mean, you can't do it all at once. So
Correct.
I've been very fortunate to have great mentors with me, my mom itself, and there were others also who are contributing to what we are doing right now. It's not my only job. It's, I think, a teamwork that we have, and we learn from each other. But I think eventually you chose something, you jot down your, instead of, people plan yearly tasks, monthly tasks, but I think they do not think of planning their daily schedule in a right
Correct.
manner. I think it's an art. So
Correct.
eventually I learned that art, that okay, no, I have to manage my time and also restrict the timelines. It's not only about just writing it down. You need to give it a specific time, that okay, 1 hour, 2 hours, else your meetings then go unending times. It takes 4 or 5
Correct.
hours, and the crux is, something that comes out of a meeting could have been come out only in an hour also. So I think restricting, limiting that meetings in specific timelines also helps. So then you get more time for something else, is what I feel. Yeah.
So that is the. I mean, those are the tips from the youngest prodigy of Chopre's हाउस कि आप एक तो अपना लिस्ट बनाओ, दूसरा और दूसरा रिस्ट्रिक्ट करो हर एक टास्क का ड्यूरेशन. That was very wonderful of you to say, because I am somebody who tends to go on doing things until I believe that they are perfect. I am somebody who believes in my management. तो बहुत टाइम चला जाता है आणि मला हे गॅरंटेड माहिती आहे की हे बऱ्याच जणींचं होत असणार आहे. सो प्लीज मार्क दीज वर्ड्स की हे असं होऊ देऊ नका. नाउ आय हॅव बीन अगेन फॉर्च्युनेट enough to be with you guys for longer durations when we were preparing for your events. And I know for a fact that you make everybody feel like a family member. Now that is something that I think this much smoother than a typical organization or a company would look like. So it is much more smoother than that. म्हणजे असं वाटतच नाही की कंपनी आहे. सो तुम्हाला खरं सांगायचं तर नेटवर्किंग स्किल असं काहीतरी शिकवण्याची किंवा कडे अडॉप्ट करण्याची काहीच गरज नाही. तुमच्याकडे ते उपजतच आहे. आय थिंक अख्ख्या तुमच्या फॅमिलीमध्येच. आय नो ऑल ऑफ देम नाउ. बट देन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट मला हे माहिती आहे की सोशल मीडियाची त्या बाबतीत गरज नाही. बट व्हॉट एल्स कॅन इट डू फॉर यू ॲज अ टूल? व्हॉट आय वॉन्ट टू. सो नेटवर्किंग तर आहेच आहे.
I mean, it's unending. Networking is net worth. I feel it's net worth. It's building net worth. So, social media, we've been very active on social media since the past 3 years, if you know us. So we have been fortunate enough to have consultants who are senior most, and they have taught me a lot of social media. The importance of social media. I think it helps you to engage with your customers, the current one, also your potential ones. So that is one beauty of social media. Also, you can target your audience, right, in a way. whatever uniqueness you have, you can always put it to the right kind of people or the set of people who really are
Correct.
interested in taking your services. I think that's the beauty of it.
Mhm.
And with social media, I think we have, the brand loyalty has increased, the brand trust
Mhm.
amongst the customers have increased because of the social media platform. We don't keep on posting only creatives of offers and everything, but we do
Mhm.
share what our customers want. So that's how
Mhm.
we also have certain value add-ons that we can give away to people. I think
Correct.
communication
Correct.
has been, the gap of communication has been uh, very, it's been easy. Communicating with our customers has been
Mhm.
easy because of social media. And I think this pandemic has taught all the businesses that they have to have a social media. They have to be very active on social media. So I have
Mhm.
learned it. And not only social media, I think digitalization, you have to go with the technology. It is very important if you
True.
want to grow. It's important.
No, so I think earlier when you wanted to check the authenticity of a brand, there were TV commercials.
Correct.
So not seen name of a brand on TV commercials, and if it is not hammering enough, you would not recognize a brand. So the only proof of you मतलब you have arrived इसका एक ही proof था कि आपका कोई commercial TV पे चलता हो. Now it
Correct.
is the other way around. TV has got no or a minor role to play. It's all about social media. If you're not
Social media.
seen, if you're not heard, you're gone.
Correct.
Simply.
It
So
helps
yes,
you to, gain that loyalty amongst your customers, that brand trust
correct, correct.
factor. Yeah.
So that definitely helps. I wanted to ask you three things that every woman entrepreneur should adopt, but I think you have given us good tips on that. I won't be asking you the same question over again. Any misunderstanding or misconception you have about your profession that you clarify, or you just wish to delete it their minds?
Misconception, industry बद्दल तो you also know that, people used to think that, beauty schools are an easy alternative to a college, a 4-year
Correct,
college. तुम्हाला
correct,
नाही
correct.
येत असेल, म्हणजे somebody is weak in education, then the last option you would always be entering the salon industry. But you need to ask us who have been through, who have learned the art, who have learned the skills. It is completely hard work. It is a lot of anatomy, chemistry, sanitization. It's so much more that it is absolutely not easy, and it is in fact rewarding. I feel it's rewarding. And if you ask any
Correct.
cosmetologist, then only you understand what goes in learning this kind of art. And it's not only about learning, we have to practice our techniques, we have to master techniques,
Mm,
because and have to apply it in real life, day to day life.
correct.
So I think it's not at all easy. Unlike other career options, this is also equally important and rewarding option. I think this was a biggest misconception people had back then, by say 4 years, 5 years down the line. Now eventually it has changed, as I feel. So that is one. And I think people think this industry has only, it is only about beauticians and hairstylists. I think it's beyond that. This
Mm,
industry needs a lot of beauty consultant. You would say, the influencers, beauty influencers, bloggers, makeup
mm.
consultants, managers, people who have managerial skills. So with this kind of education, I think there's a huge scope of growth in this industry. It's not only the
Correct.
stylist thing, but yes, there's a lot more beyond that. So that is, I
Mm,
think, is
mm.
a misconception of many, that क्या होगा ना इसमें जाके, और क्या उसके बाद क्या. But ask us, when you enter, it's unending. There's every minute there's a new thing coming up in this industry. So it's
True, true,
vast
true,
and
true.
it's unending. So I think that
Yeah.
misconception has to go out of people's mind.
I think it has partly because earlier जेव्हा आपण अर्थात सांगायचं झालं तर क्रूड अर्थाने आपण अमुक नावी अमुक चांबा किंवा असे जेव्हा डेफिनेशन देत होतो ना it was very wrong of us to actually categorizing people into these categories and then looking down upon them. It was very, very, very wrong. I'm reiterating it. Now we have come up with a new field which is termed as artist, and I'm very glad that every other person who is very much uh, experienced in the craft or very much skilled in the craft is called an artist, which is a nicer understanding of the way. I think we are changing. I have bigger
Yeah,
expectations from the generations to come.
that's
Yes.
what
So,
parlors were on, salons. parlor wali varoon aesthetician. I think that's the evolution that has happened, and it's going to go on, and it's going to be never ending. I mean, people need to understand that after dermatologist or doctors, it is the aesthetician, the beautician is going to touch your skin and give it a nicer way. I mean, it's going to improve it. So that is very important. So I feel people in this industry should respect it, but people outside the industry also should know that what goes in to learn this art, to actually apply it in the real life situations.
I know it is a noble profession, not only in terms of enhancing external beauty. It is also about giving you the boost for inner beauty also. That's what I feel. It is a fusion of both. It is
Correct.
not a big serious. And I think wherever you visit a salon, you should also respect them like you respect nurses, because they're working on your body. Nobody looks at it from that perspective. And whenever I usually go to your salon only. So whenever I visit these, I would simply chit chat with them as if a friend is helping me in keeping my body sane, if I can say so. So we have to extend that kind of respect to people who are working for the calmness of our mind also in via these services that are provided.
And that
So
and that encourages people there, right? I mean, they'll serve you better and better, I feel, only then when there's an encouragement shown to them, I think.
So all those ladies who are in this प्रोफेशन आता थोडीशी कॉलर ताट करायला हरकत नाही, कारण थोडासा काय बघण्याचा दृष्टिकोन बदलतोय. अँड ऑल ऑफ दोज हु युजली गो टू सच प्लेसेस शुड लुक ॲट इट फ्रॉम अ डिफरंट पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह. हा अख्ख्या डिस्कशनचा काय ही समरी आहे.
I have realized this because we go to, I mean, I've got a chance, fortunate enough to visit certain countries where this profession is taken, is respected a lot. It's not like what what misconceptions our country had, but by going there, we always tell our students, our team members that I always try to share my experiences that I've had back there, which I feel are lacking here. So it is, I think we should first start believing that what profession we are into, it is rewarding. So only then it's going to change, and I think it's changed. I don't want to blame anybody for that, but yeah, it has changed. It has evolved.
I know. So everybody now looks at it from a different perspective, and I think I also agree. Many of my friends are looking at it from a different point of view altogether. What do you do when you're not busy doing all of this, meaning enhancing beauty? So what do you do when you're not enhancing?
Majorly I am into my work because I like it. So मला दा कधी stressed out नाही वाटत, because working, I can work continuously also. I mean, I have worked that way, but whenever I'm free, that when you are working, especially when you are in the work mode, you tend to ignore certain messages of your friends, families. Maybe free time मध्ये I cater those. I do reply then, even if it is delayed. I do reply with some message. So you feel connected, because when you're working, you are only attending work calls, you're only messaging to work people, आणि हे सगळं personal राहून जातं. And the best thing I do is I have my nephew at my place. So, the entire time when I'm free, I tend to, invest in him, and also try to take his videos. So it's a learning from him also. And he's and we follow each other on social media. So my entire social media personal page feels like it is his. So it's like, I like doing that. So I do spend my time with him as well.
So he's like an antidepressant for everybody who watches his videos. Those were so cute. I remember all of those who are on her friend list would probably more, because if you have had a bad day, you just have to take a look at those videos and you're fine. You're good to go.
I do that. I do go back to the videos and see when I feel stressed out. Yeah.
I have my own package at home now, so I don't have to fortunately go to any videos. Apart from that,
to see your. Yeah, sorry.
Correct. What other hobbies do you have? I have seen picture where you're riding a bike, so I just wanted to talk about those. You are probably riding, partying hard or something like that.
I am not a party person, I
Okay.
don't like doing like party pub parties वगैरह, but I like meeting friends at, I like house parties. So that is
Ah,
what I really
okay.
do it when I'm free. But apart from that, I think traveling is the thing that I take. I take breaks when I want to. I mean, work
Hmm.
breaks is only when I have to travel. So
Ah,
I love traveling. I love exploring new places. So that's probably not my hobby. I want to do it. So it is like a set thing for us. की okay, this is हे करणार आहे तर म्हणजे मी हे एवढं करणार आहे काम. But in my mind I have it, okay, next 3 months down the line I'm going for a 8-day vacation for sure. So it has been a regular thing. Apart from this, I think a pandemic मुळे I've understood that okay, cooking is also one of my hobbies. Making dishes, uh, trying new food, experimenting on food is also one of the hobbies. So yeah, I do that as well. So ते जे बघितलं ते it was one of those only.
करेक्ट. कारण मला थोडंसं पिकिंगचा चान्स मिळतो, त्यामुळे मला हे थोडं काय म्हणायचं, थोडंसं इंटरव्ह्यूचा एक बेनिफिट मिळतोय की मला हे सगळं विचारता. बाय द वे, युअर दीज वॉचिंग, डिम्पल इज वॉचिंग,
Yeah, Dimple.
ऑल्सो वॉचिंग यू.
Yeah, I just happened to
It
be
must be
there.
something all around. Now, anything else that you wish to add and you wish to say to the friends, all the female friends who are watching us and the male friends who are also watching us, सबके लिए कहना क्या है, क्या आखिरी वर्ड्स क्या है, उसके बाद हम रैपिड फायर शुरू करेंगे.
अरे what do you say? I missed you. I mean, I couldn't hear you.
मी म्हटलं जे जे कोणी ऑडियन्स आपल्याला पाहतात, मेल फिमेल सगळे फ्रेंड्स आपले, त्यांना काय सांगायचं अबाउट सलोन ऍपल और एनिथिंग that you wish to add at the concluding remark about your brand,
Uh,
about yourself.
I think I'll talk on the current situation. It's very important to all whoever is watching this live. I think please take care of yourself. Please do not ignore signs of illness, because the situation right now is very bad outside. I have certain close relatives who are infected, so we can closely see that. So I think be safe. I don't need not tell people now, but yeah, I have seen people not wearing masks. Today I went for a बाहेर गेले होते. There are still people who are ignorant towards certain safety measures. So to whoever is watching, I think firstly I would say stay safe. And about Salon Apple, we will be soon coming up with certain more parallel lines, and we will always get new things for our customers, and we would want everybody to visit Salon Apple and give their genuine feedbacks about it. And I think lastly, the situation is about the pandemic, so stay strong, and we all are going to pass this phase and come out come out more stronger, I feel.
Definitely. So the reason why I asked you to come on board, obviously because you're one of the youngest entrepreneurs I know for a fact. Secondly, because it is not a very goody scenario for salons and all the people who belong to this industry, and I just wanted to put it there कि चलता है, this shall pass soon. तो ये थोड़ा म्हणजे हे थोडं तरी एहसास म्हणतो आपण तो देण्यासाठी मला आय वॉन्टेड अ हॅपी फेस, अँड आय थिंक आय डिड माय जॉब वेल की आपने ते सगळं पूर्ण तुम्ही सांगून टाकलं. सो somebody saying Salon Apple is truly better. Many more best wishes for your future on the world. Anusha R. I can't get the.
Oh,
I
that's
can get
my
the surname.
friend Anuradha. Yeah.
Right. So spectacular is one of the mottos of the brand. I know for the fact current script पर काम कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, you know.
So it truly is spectacular, and I'm a genuine client apart from being the official MC of the brand. त्यामुळे मला हे माहित आहे. So let us not further. आपण आता रॅपिड फायरला सुरुवात करूयात, so that people also laugh with us. आणि हे त्यासाठी आहे. सगळ्यात 3 words that describe Salon Apple.
Spectacular, amazing, and it's all about salon services.
Great.
Being you, I think yeah.
Your reply, which is full of to the current scenario.
Sorry,
The corona समोर आला तर त्याला I'll repeat it. So your swag वाला reply to the current scenario, being a salon professional yourself.
Jaldi ja. Go as fast as possible.
निकल जा.
Nikal ja.
One of the characteristics characteristics of your mom that you think you have adopted well?
I think I would say characteristic wise, um, I think I look like her is one of the natural characteristic. My face depicts her, And secondly, I think she's taught me. I wouldn't say I've taken it, but she's taught me to be stronger with worse times as well. So if you see her, she is equally under pressure because of this pandemic, but she keeps on doing something or the other. She's engaged. She can't sit idle, and that's what I think I've adopted. That like her, I also I can't sit idle for a longer time. म्हणजे फ्री टाइम
Great.
टाइमपास असं नाही होत खूपदा. म्हणजे ते कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक आय थिंक आय हॅव अडॉप्टेड.
पण ती खूपच मोठी कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक आहे. I've seen her doing that. त्यामुळे I know.
Yeah.
Now, this question I know the answer for it, but I would still go ahead and ask: are you an impulsive person or a calm person?
Situational, I think. But yeah, I am an impulsive person. I'm not a very calm person. I don't stay calm for a
I
long
know
time.
that. But you're a mix of you're a mix of both of the characteristics.
I am, in fact, I would say I'm learning how to be, the art of being calm, even at situations where you can't be calm. So yeah,
I
it's
understand.
needed. Yeah, but yeah, I'm an impulsive person.
If you were offered a superpower, what would it be, and how would you like to use it? म्हणजे ती superpower का हवी असेल तुला?
Superpower, I think आत्ताच्या रिलेशन मध्ये जर घेतलं तर या सम superpower that we can just get off everything and go back to our normal routine life. I would really want to do that because sitting at home and having those crazy thoughts here and there, news out there, it's very disturbing. So one is that I would really want to just go back to the normal days and want the entire world to go back to normal days. But superpower, I think I would want that superpower of understanding people. म्हणजे आपण म्हणतो ना मिस्टर इंडिया स्टाईल मध्ये that थोड़े देर के लिए गायब हो जाओ फिर देखो क्या चल रहा है. So I think that will help because there are a lot of things that go around, I think. म्हणजे आता सुपर पॉवर असं मला नाही सांगता येणार ऑनेस्टली, बट yeah, I would want to really, if I get any superpowers, I really want to go back to the normal days that we had. Hello? Hello? Hello?
आणि पाहू शकतात माझ्याकडे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी गेल्यामुळे मी मध्ये
Suvida is going to have
गायब झाली
a crazy day. Yeah.
माझा आजचा दिवस एकदा लॅपटॉप गणलाय, एकदा इंटरनेट गणलंय, आता
Yeah.
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी गेली. पण यार
No problem.
वॉरियर्स वी वुड नॉट गिव्ह अप. त्यामुळे फोन लगेचच कनेक्ट केलेला आहे आणि जसे कसं आपण दिसतो आपण
Obstacles आले ना की you have to go back to your research mode and just research it quickly
I
and
know.
get on the board. Yeah.
So thank you Facebook for making me stronger and thank you for your push, Prachi, for being there.
No, yeah.
Yes. Prachi as a person in 3 words. शेवटचाच काही प्रश्न आहे. 3 शब्दात तुला स्वतःला डिस्क्राईब करायचं झालं तर कसं करशील?
Simple. I really like to be very simple. I think I believe I'm a very an integrity follower. So I really believe that you should be yourself whenever, even when nobody is watching you. So I think that I think, and third, I think I'm smart. I am smart.
That you are.
But yeah. Yeah.
So I love the part where you said की एकतर इंटिग्रिटीला आपल्या खूप जोडलेलं राहिलं. इवन वेन नोबडी इज वॉचिंग यू, मला वाटतं ते सगळ्यांच्यात भरून भरून असायला हवं. आपण खूप पुढे जाऊ. पुढचा प्रश्न घेण्याआधी SMA मंत्रा असं कुठेतरी मला नाव नाही कळते. एन्जॉयिंग युअर इंटरव्ह्यू प्राची चोपडे असं कमेंट आली आहे.
That must be Seema ma'am. So as I was saying, right, they have helped us, to cross. I mean, they are our digital consultant and also, also an advisory, I would say, and they've really helped us, surpass this, this breach this gap between us and social media. So they've really helped us grow on social media.
Thank you, ma'am, on behalf of Prachi and Puneri Thaska for those wonderful words there. The best motivational quote that has worked for you, or that is your favorite?
Best motivational quote.
कोणाचाही असू शकतो. माझ्यासाठी माझ्या आईच्या म्हणी सुद्धा मोटिवेशनलच होत्या. त्यामुळे इट डझंट मॅटर.
I think what you sow grows, right? I mean, whatever we will grow.
Correct.
So,
Karma is a bitch. In other words.
Correct.
Yes. So I know the answer, but I'm asking it for everyone else. One person that inspires you a lot.
My mom. Probably yes. My dad also.
Yes.
Yeah, but my
अच्छा, आता जसं मिसकन्सेप्शन विषयी किंवा मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग विषयी बोललो, तसा सगळ्यात अनॉइंग प्रश्न जो आजपर्यंत तू लोकांकडून ऐकलायस असा कुठला आहे?
अनॉइंग प्रश्न. मी असं खूप लोकांनी असे खूप प्रश्न मला कधी केले नाहीयेत ऑनेस्टली. बट असे फ्रेंड्स थ्रू वगैरे येतात ना प्रश्न, की म्हणजे प्रश्न नाही म्हणता येणार. आय वोंट पुट इट इन अ क्वेश्चन फॉर्म, बट everybody is like, है ना, family business है तो होगा. I mean, I'm sure it's easy for you. So I think that somewhere that is a question form, also a statement, which I think is debatable, but I really don't debate on that. I am fortunate enough to get into this, but everybody has their own, taste of their own medicine. Everywhere, even if you are a startup or even if you have a responsibility of taking something which is already there ahead, I think both the sides are equal. I mean, the responsibility is the same, the effort is the same. So I think तो एक प्रश्न मला खूप अनोइंग वाटतो. इनिशियली आय यूज्ड टू आर्ग्यू, बट आता आय एम लाईक हां ठीक आहे, व्हॉटएव्हर यू फील लाईक.
मला wherever I have had discussions on this, I have always said की जर असं असलं असतं तर राहुल महाजनकडे, म्हणजे त्यांच्या राहुल महाजनकडे एक मोठी पॉलिटिकल लिगसी असली असती, तर हेरिडिटी जर गोष्टी पास ऑन होत असत्या तर. त्यामुळे ठीक आहे, आता काय अवॉइडच करायला लागणार असे प्रश्न. पण
हा एक क्वेश्चन यायचा आणि पूर्वी मला इट यूज टू ट्रिगर मी. अनॉय म्हणजे इट यूज टू ट्रिगर मी, बट नाउ इट इज लाईक क्या ठीक आहे. आय मीन, यू कांट एक्सप्लेन एव्हरीबडी. It eventually is the result that you're showing, and that's, I think, your work speaks for your own. I mean, your work speaks for yourself. That is what I think.
Yeah, definitely. So last question that I have is dedicated to the platform through which we are speaking to so many people right now. जर का खूप समरी मध्ये, छोट्या शब्दांमध्ये तुला पुणेरी ठसका काय आहे असं विचारलं तर कसं सांग? कसलं भारी.
The name itself is so appealing. पुणेरी ठसका. आणि पुण्याची लोक ठसक्यातच असतात आणि त्यांना ठसक्यातच राहायला आवडतं. So I think platform is very good. And I believe that such ladies platforms where you tend to give people an opportunity to present their businesses, showcase their skills. It is very good. And you guys are helping people like me, entrepreneurs out there, small, medium scaled, everybody, to get in touch with each other, connect and grow together. So I think the name is fantastic. I would really congratulate Shweta for thinking of this name called Puneri Thaska. But yeah, I think
I'm sure she's laughing there,
doing a
watching
good
us. She
job.
would be, yeah, she was in tears laughing. So I think it is wonderful to have you here, Prachi, and I
Thank you.
cannot thank you enough to for sitting with me through all my problems, be it my ancient Zamanika laptop, be it the app that I'm using, or the electricity, as you can see, is giving me trouble. So thank you for being there. Thank you for
Thank you.
being patient and generous enough to speak to me on so many levels. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Suvida. Thank you for having me. And I think we made it finally through this
Yeah,
interview,
yes.
through a lot of hurdles. But yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. And I would wish all the best to everybody out there watching us and you too. And please,
Yes.
everybody stay safe and visit Salon Apple as soon as everything opens. We're going to take all the safety measures and we're going to take all
Correct.
the precautions to ensure that we're delivering hygienic and safety
Yes.
services to you all. Yeah.
Yes. So listen to her.
Thank you,
आणि
Suvita.
आपण लवकरच भेटू.
End में थोड़ा सा
लवकरच आपण सगळं
promotions,
बघू.
it's important
Fine.
because it's a Puneri
So,
Tusker platform. Yeah.
so once this pandemic is over, I'm sure मी तुला करून भेटेन आणि खूप गप्पा मारू. पण तू टिल देन बाय म्हणूया टेक्निकला. थँक्यू सो मच
Yeah,
प्रत्येकदा.
definitely. Thank you.
Thank you all the members who are watching. Stay in touch, stay safe, stay indoors. Bye bye.